defences was in place, my entry position was fine, and then it just happens, doesn't it? Does what it does, and boom, took me out on that large bearish candle there. So anyway, from there I was just looking for another position, my second position of the day, which we discussed the momentum of this bearish candle, and for me, even though we pulled back above the 50 and the respecting of the level here, for me it was just a pullback into to retest this area before pushing further down. There, my bias was still bearish, so we entered the position here, which was around the 152,789 level. I always tend to place a 20 pip stop loss on GBPJPY, but for some reason I decided to place the 15 minutes. I was kicking myself really, because as you can see, price continued up and took me out. I was kicking myself, and I was watching it, and I didn't jump in. I didn't overtrade. I thought, nope, that's enough. I've had two losses within that day, and no more trades for that day for me. And I was kicking myself, so as I watched price continue down where I forecasted it to, basically blew out me 1-to-1. Hit the first target. If we went down towards the overall target, it didn't quite reach the second overall target. So, but this candle here, which closed above the 8MA, would have been a position where it got out. So then that would have been still, you'd have been looking at 42 pips down to the first. We forecasted down to net overall 93 to the second. Didn't quite reach that. Still would have closed out here. The bullish candle here, breaking close above the 8MA, which is 70 pips. So anyway, as the end of the day, so we took a loss on that position as well today. But towards the end of yesterday, what I've done then is I've come back to the position and then just dragged my stop loss up to the 20 pips. So my entry was not the best either, and I do believe I would have been stopped out on a 20 pip stop. So ideally I should have been looking at, more like a 25 pip stop, which would have got me above the highs of this high here. That would have seen me successful trade yesterday. Hey, but not to be. So we'll just clean up the chart and discuss today, which is Friday, the 11th of 3rd, 2022. So just drag that over, and that's a loss there. 14 pips, that's fine. So there was my break even point. Let's just clean that off. I need to leave that on. That level off because we broke through there, broke through there, so we can get rid of that. And then we're into today, Friday, which I don't always trade on a Friday, but with yesterday being taking the two losses I did yesterday, I am open to a position today, to be honest. But so what have I seen? Okay, we're into Asia. We can see we're on the 30-minute time frame. We're into Asia. We can see the break above the 8MA here, and we can see momentum pushing up to the upside. As I was analysing this trade straight away, and I seen the break of the 50, but when it broke the 50, I noticed that the price is not, strong, pushing up beyond 50. And I always expect whatever level or structure break, you always look. That's a signal of a kind for me. I'm then looking for retracements, and then a candle to show me that confluence in the direction I want to. My bias is, and I'm looking to trade in. But anyway, we get that break above, not very strong, but then we get a strong but bullish candle here. We get the retracement down. But at this point anyway, I'm still thinking, yes, okay, I'm looking for long positions, but I'm not willing to look for any kind of long position until we get that original 4-hour wick level I marked out. I want to see a break and a close above there with a bit of strength, but I still want to see that retracement back, which I believe my forecast for that position to go long would be up to this level here, which we marked a few days back, which is the 153.600 level, around there. That would be my overall target for today. What I'd be looking at is a break close above this 4-hour wick level, retracement back down to this structure here, and then wait for that candle confirmation in the direction of my bias. So that's what I'm going to do, and what I'll do is I'll keep analysing the charts, being patient, not looking to trade any other pairs apart from GBPJPY. I do that, but that, you know, in reflection to my previous video where I said by trading one pair and mastering one, it also helps with your patience. So waiting for them setups on one and not jumping from pair to pair to pair to pair looking for them positions is definitely not going to help your patience. And you do need to be good with your patience and trading to be profitable. That's a fact. So we'll keep analysing the chart. We'll see how it goes. If I get that forecast of break and close above this 4-hour wick level, a retest down to structure here, I'll be waiting for confirmation to go long. Let's see how that plays out, and then we'll reflect on today, positions taken or not. We'll reflect on that on Monday. So have a great weekend, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it is a new channel. I'm trying to give it a good kickstart from the start. So yeah, and if you can share the channel as well, even better. Thank you. Have a good weekend.